Hi, I'm Diane. I'm a professional organizer. I do videos offering a very common sense approach to what to do with all the stuff that's in a house. You know, it's funny, when we're younger we want so many things, and then in our middle years we work hard to acquire many of those things, and then when we get older we have to figure out, what are we going to do with all of these things? You can help me out by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it's a great help to me. And when you're watching the videos, if you can hit the like button, or share the video, or even leave me a comment. All of those things are very helpful for me so that I can continue to do the videos to help people. I cover many topics, from what to do with antiques and collectibles, to having conversations with your parents as they're getting older and need to maybe move to a retirement home or downsize, to just going through the decluttering process in anyone's home. So, Downsizing Pro, I hope you'll follow me on YouTube.